What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research when it comes to the stocks you choose, man. We're giving out free game for you. Man, I want to put you guys on something, man. You know what China's going through right now. They just reported over 27,000 cases of COVID. They're still battling this COVID thing, and I don't know what's going to happen to their economy this year. Eventually, they will recover, but it's not looking good for them. I do want to show you guys an article. It's talking about China's interest rate. So as you know, we are going to have the rate hikes this year in the U.S. We have more to come. We had one, so we got at least three to four more to come. But their economy is the exact opposite. So it mentions, they have rising food and energy price inflations, but the PBOC in China is going to make interest cuts, so they're going to lower their rates. So it mentions they can cut interest rates and support growth. So their economy is not doing well, so they can't afford to make the rate hikes like the U.S. So this is something that's definitely going to hurt them this year. They still have not opened up all the traveling bans and things like that, but they're trying to loosen up the COVID restrictions over there, but they're at a zero tolerance policy. So they are handling COVID totally different in the U.S., so it's still weighing on their economy. So just wanted to put you guys up on that. They will be lowering their interest rate. So it mentions the rising food and energy price inflation limits the space for the PBOC to cut interest rates despite the rapidly worsening economy. So they can't go all in, but they do have to cut interest rates. So economists are saying that they might lower interest rates this Friday coming up. So just be on the lookout for the Chinese stocks, as China's going through it right now. I don't know what's going to happen to the market, of course, but that's what's going on with them. I do want to put you guys on a banger that I have been looking at for a long time. So this is a long-term play for me. GBTC, man, you got to do your research on this one. They are trying to get a Bitcoin ETF going. So as you know, all the different cryptos that they have, they picked up some other ones as well. You got to check those out, man. You're going to want to look into this one. This is a long-term banger for me. I will never sell this. Never. Especially if they get this ETF rolling, the Bitcoin ETF. If they get this approved with the SEC, this thing is going to do numbers in the long term, of course. So they're up 6.61% on the day. Man, they had a lot of green on the screen. On everything was green. If you weren't long or anything, if you were taking shorts, man, you got trapped out. So the VIX is dropping. But I don't know what's going to happen with this earnings report. The big banks are going to be reporting earnings this Thursday. So be lookout for that. Goldman, JP Morgan. Then we got Citibank. I think it's another one, but they're going to be reporting Thursday. So I know Citibank has 10 billion tied up in Russian debt. So I don't know what's going to happen with them, but just be on the lookout this Thursday, man. Check this stock out. You're going to want to grab some of this. I grabbed some when they hit about $35. So I'm looking to grab some more if they come back down to around 20 area. So just to put this on you guys' radar, man. Check this one out. It's not financial advice. Do your own research. Man, I'll see you guys tomorrow.